General knowledge quiz on every Prime Minister of India. In this video, we are going to cover some most important questions, so don't skip any part of this video. Question number 1. Who was the first and longest serving Prime Minister of India? The correct answer is Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Question number 2. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru served as the Prime Minister from when till when? The correct answer is from 15 August 1947 to 27 May 1964. Question number 3. Who was the Prime Minister of India when Jawaharlal Nehru died? The correct answer is Gulzari Lal Nanda from 27 May 1964 to 9 June 1964. Question number 4. For how much time Gulzari Lal Nanda served as the Prime Minister? The correct answer is 13 days. Question number 15. Who was the second Prime Minister of India and what was his term period? The correct answer is Lal Bahadur Shastri. His term period started from 9 June 1964 till 11 January 1966. He served as the Prime Minister for 1 year 216 days. Question number 6. Who was the Prime Minister of India when Lal Bahadur Shastri died and for how many days? The correct answer is Gulzari Lal Nanda. He was again elected as Prime Minister for 13 days. He started from 11 January till 24 January. Question number 7. Who was the third Prime Minister of India and what was his term period? The correct answer is Indira Gandhi. She served for 11 years 59 days. She started from 24 January 1966 till 24 March 1977. Question number 8. Who was the fourth Prime Minister of India and what was his term period? The correct answer is Morarji Desai. He served for 2 years 126 days from 24 March 1977 to 28 July 1979. Question number 9. Who was the fifth Prime Minister of India and what was his term period? The correct answer is Charan Singh. He served for 170 days from 28 July 1979 to 14 January 1980. Question number 10. Who was the Prime Minister of India after Charan Singh and what was his term period? The correct answer is Indira Gandhi. This time she served for 4 years 291 days from 14 January 1980 to 31 October 1984. Question number 11. Who was the Prime Minister of India after Indira Gandhi and what was his term period? The correct answer is Rajiv Gandhi. He served for 5 years 32 days from 31st October to 2 December from 1984 to 1989. Question number 12. Who was the 7th Prime Minister of India and what was his term period? The correct answer is Vishwanath Pratap Singh. He served for 343 days from 2 December 1989 to 10 November 1990. Question number 12. Who was the 8th Prime Minister of India and what was his term period? The correct answer is Chandrasekhar. He served for 223 days from 10 November 1990 to 21 June 1991. Question number 13. Who was the 9th Prime Minister of India and what was his term period? The correct answer is P.V. Narasimha Rao. He served from 2 December 1989 to 10 November 1990 for 343 days. Question number 14. Who was the 10th Prime Minister of India and what was his term period? The correct answer is Atal Bihari Vajpayee. He served for 16 days from 16 May to 1 June in 1996. Question number 15. Who was the Prime Minister of India after Atal Bihari Vajpayee and what was his term period? The correct answer is H.D. Divi Gowda. He served from 1 June 1996 to 21 April 1997 for 324 days. Question number 16. Who was the 12th Prime Minister of India and what was his term period? Correct answer is Indra Kumar Gujral. He served from 21 April 1997 to 19 March 1998 for 332 days. Question number 17. Who was the youngest Prime Minister of India? The correct answer is Rajiv Gandhi. He became the Prime Minister at the age of 40. Question number 18. Who was the Prime Minister of India after Indra Kumar Gujral and what was his term period? The correct answer is Atal Bihari Vajpayee. This time he served for 6 years 64 days from 19 March 1998 to 22 May 2004. Question number 19. Who was the 13th Prime Minister of India and what was his term period? The correct answer is Manmohan Singh. He served for 10 years 4 days from 22 May 2004 to 26 May 2014. Question number 20. Who was the 14th Prime Minister of India and what was his term period? The correct answer is Narendra Modi. He is our current Prime Minister and his term period started from 26 May 2014 and is still continuing. It's time to do some most important and evergreen questions from exam point of view. So don't miss this video or skip any part of this video. Let's start. Question number 21. What is the full name of current Prime Minister of India? The correct answer is Narendra Damodar Das Modi. Question number 22. Who appoints the Prime Minister of India? The correct answer is President of India. Question number 23. Who came up with the slogan Jai Jawan Jai Kisan that became popular during 1965 Indo-Pakistan War? The correct answer is Lal Bahadur Shastri. Question number 24. Who became the Prime Minister of India 2 times for the same period of time 13 days? The correct answer is Gulzarilal Nanda. Question number 25. Who was the first and only woman Prime Minister of India? The correct answer is Indira Gandhi. Question number 26. Indira Gandhi served as the minister in different fields before becoming a Prime Minister. Name them. Indira Gandhi served as the Minister of External Affairs in 1984 and Minister of Defence in 1980-82, Minister of Home Affairs from 1970-73 and Minister of Information and Broadcasting from 1964-66. Question number 27. Under whose governance Shah Banu, the Bhopal gas tragedy and Bofors scandal took place? The correct answer is Rajiv Gandhi. Question number 28. Who served as the 12th Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh and Minister of Finance from 1984 to 87 and Minister of Defence from 1989 to 90 under PM Rajiv Gandhi? The correct answer is Vishwanath Pratap Singh. Question number 29. P.V. Narasimha Rao served as the ministers in different fields. Name them all except as Prime Minister. He served as Defence Minister from 1993 to 96, Minister of External Affairs from 1990 to 94, Home Minister under Rajiv Gandhi in 1986, and as 4th CM of Andhra Pradesh. Question number 30. Who became the Prime Minister of India when no party had enough seats for the union government and was the member of 14th, 15th and 16th Lok Sabha after his term as Prime Minister? The correct answer is H.D. Devi Gowda. Question number 31. Name the Prime Minister who was a participant of Quit India movement under Gandhiji's leadership and was both a member of Rajya Sabha and Lok Sabha. The correct answer is Indra Kumar Gujral. This video is getting very long, so let's finish this video with our last question, which is question number 32. Some important points about Atal Bihari Vajpayee.
He was elected 10 times to the Lok Sabha, 2 times to the Rajya Sabha from 1962 to 67 and 1986 to 91. He was the founding member of Bharatiya Jana Sangh, which later became Bharatiya Janata Party, of which Vajpayee was the first president. 2 nuclear tests conducted in Pokhran in 1988 were held under his tenure. His birthday is marked as India's Good Governance Day. He gave the slogan Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan, Jai Vigyan, and he also worked as the Minister of External Affairs in Morarji Desai's government.
Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you have learned something new from this video. If you want me to cover any specific topic in my video, then please tell me the topic in the comment section. Let's meet in another video. Jai Hind.